Good morning, guys. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me this morning. I have a quick and easy DIY. I know many of you were wondering, what am I going to do with those toys? Well, I went ahead and spray painted them gold. I love them in gold. Let me know what you think. They're in gold. And what I'm going to do is I got my magazine from ZGallerie, and in the magazine for this season they have different animals displaying their trays and bowls and different home decor items. And I thought that was a cute idea. And because Valentine's is here, I know we do Valentines with our children, so I know they would love that idea. So what I decided to do, I hauled a red bowl from Walmart, and I went ahead and spray painted it black on the outside and leave the inside red. Got a large one and a small one. I've got glue on these things. And so I have one of the little Dollar Tree cups, and what I would like to do is use it as a center piece to elevate the bowl, the inside bowl. So I'm going to start my project now, show you how we're going to put it all together. And so if this is your first time to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us. We're going to do something that is quick, easy, and fun, that I think is fun, for Valentine's Day. So I hope that if you like this video, you'll consider being a subscriber. And if you do, I hope that you will share with your family and friends the DIYs that we do. And let's get started. You will need 2 bowls, Walmart heart bowls, 2, a large one and a small one. You'll also need a cup. I'm going with a cup. You can use a candle holder if you'd like, but since everything is plastic, I just want to keep it plastic. And I didn't want to spray paint this black. I would have loved to have put it in black, but if I spray paint it, I can't use it with food. I mean, you could use it for candy that is wrapped in paper, but I'm going to use it on my table for Valentine's Day, so I'm just going to go ahead and leave it that way. So the first thing you're going to need is your 3 animals. Whatever choices you make is fine. Your 2 bowls and a cup, your glue gun, glue sticks, and I think I may add diamond wrap. I don't know that yet. So let's go. You know I'm always adding diamond wrap. I know, I pick up everything and just get the glue on there. So I'm basically outlining my cup with the glue. And you know what I'm going to say, be generous with it. I think that's centered. Now, I have gold, but you know me by now. I'm going to contrast it. I'm thinking I may want to add silver diamond wrap. I'm not sure. I think I do. And I think I do. Let's do it. Alright, so I lay your glue down close to the edge as possible. So now that I've decided I want to add diamond wrap, you will need diamond wrap. Just 1 strip. And I started on the side because I don't want to have a break on the inside. I want it to go straight across. to everything. Alright, I'm going to go ahead, do this, and I'll be back. Okay guys, so I went ahead, add the diamond wrap all the way around and also on the cup. So now, my next step is to add my bowl. And I am going to lay the glue down onto the cup. Make sure you add a generous amount. And make sure the back does line up properly with the other back. So now I will add some diamond wrap around the top, just as I did here on the big one. So guys, I went ahead and grabbed the magazine, and this is my inspiration. They're using the flamingo, but of course the Dollar Tree did not have flamingo, so I'm going with the giraffes. I think it will be cute. But that's where this inspiration came from. I thought how cute it is to use a toy. So now I'm going to add my little animals now. So the agenda is to glue his head to the top of the bowl and his body to the bottom part of the bowl. So let's see how that works. So I probably will have to squirt glue down inside of this bowl, and it may take a lot, guys. I don't know, I haven't done this. We're just doing it together from the inspiration from ZGallerie, so we'll see if it holds up or not. I thought it was a great idea. Alright, I think once this is dry, I will also go up underneath and add some more glue to the back. So make sure he's straight. I want to make sure his head is straight. So far, guys, I am loving it. Right, we're gonna go. So guys, this is where I situate them. So guys, this is how it turned out. I absolutely must tell you the truth. I truly, truly love the way it turned out. Very quick, simple, beautiful, perfect for Valentine's Day. I truly do think it's a perfect little addition to my table for Valentine's Day. And so far, the glue is holding up. Guys, thank you so much for joining me this morning. I hope that you will decide to be a subscriber if you're not already a subscriber. And to my subscribers, thank you so much for your comments and your love. Thank you for your support. I'm so excited to be able to share with you daily. And I hope you will share with your family and friends as well. Thank you so much again, and I will see you on my next video.